It was raining. The ground is damp. It's been an eventful morning, and all I want to do is take a freaking nap. And I go inside, and it's sticky. It's like a gross sauna in the house and outside. Well, you just heard outside. I don't know exactly who's over there, but they don't live there. Not that that really matters. People do treat this like it is a summer camp or something. I guess on Google, whatever, it's actually listed that way. Dumb. It's not. There's not even a space open that they're renting right now. Want to see the sky? Let's see what we can see. Not much, hey? I had one bird come back, one of the jays. What a mess that poor bird was. Its tail feathers in multi directions. And the look it gave me. After I peeled it a peanut, gave me another look, looked at the peanut, sat and just looked at me for a good 20 seconds. Just held eye contact. Hopped over, grabbed a peanut, and took off. It's been 3 days. I haven't seen another one in the yard since. Canaries. You know, I used to take them down into coal mines. And when the canary would die, they would know that there wasn't enough oxygen for people. You know, that's something now, isn't it? Jays and such are a little bit bigger than canaries. But I also don't have a tree full of little chickadees either. So there's that. Canaries. All the birds dropping out of the sky. Whew. Just a minute, dude. I'm just talking to myself. It's okay. Well, myself on the phone, because you know. See, nobody here, handsome boy. How you doing? You gonna go pee? No, just gonna shake the porch a little. Awesome. So yeah, 5 minutes of my morning. Maybe I'll take on my 2 newest videos, or 3, because I did put one up last night, which has caused some kerfuffle, which is what led to me posting 2 more this morning. Oh. There's some weirdness going on, though. I'm not quite sure what it is. The comment banned for 24 hours because I said ew. I commented ew. EEEEWWWW something or other. And I got a ban. And there's been a couple of videos that they're just, it's like nobody sees them. I post them, but they're just not there. It's bizarre. There's got to be something. I think they're changing the algorithm, hopefully for the better. Hopefully to get rid of some of the racist things that are, or appear to be innately part of their programming at the moment. Wow. Yeah, I'm hoping that's why it's going through some changes. It's because they're trying to fix that. That would be amazing. Anyway, my doobie's now out. And there's enough left that I'll come back in a while and finish it. Num 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 num. Blue cheese from the mean bean. Such a good girl. Oh. So yeah. Hope you're all having a good Saturday morning. Distraction plus division equals disaster. Yep. So, harmony, happiness, and health. Let's hope I'm wrong about the canary thing. Non-denominational blessings from my home to yours. Have a great weekend, all. Nobody's gonna like this. Unless, of course, somebody's already pointed it out. Ambridge. Headquarters, Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Everybody's mad at Canada, right? Yeah, I'm mad at Canada too. Okay, I have other reasons to be mad at Canada, but speaking of the oil, if you follow it back, it's actually an American company out of Texas. That would explain why your government, the United States government, is willing to take Canadian money to pay their own forces to work for them because it's an American company. I wish I'd looked. I'm sad I didn't, but now I have and I got more homework. Woohoo! I'm not very good with the link thing, but here we go. Here's the Wikipedia page for Enbridge. And we go in there and we look at this and we scroll down. And there's Imperial Oil. I can't say that word. Imperial Oil. Click on that. And oh my goodness, look at that. It's owned by Exxon. 69.6%. So you click on Exxon. What's that all about? And it takes you to this page. Which, where did that other one go? Just a second. I thought I clicked on the wrong thing, but I did not. Right over there. Irving, Texas. Ah! So good morning. Coffee cheers. Sorry. I'm not at a lake. I'm at home in my trailer. Tired. 2. Also, I am tired also. I don't want to start any division. I didn't even post the video as actual fact. I left a question mark and everything. Like literally. Getting divided over the semantics of this. That's what the big companies want. And the people that run the big companies. We are insignificant. And every time we divide, it proves their point that they're doing the right thing. Let's just keep giving them distractions. Many different directions. It's not about which country. It's all on the same freaking continent. Except for where the end product is going. But we're still one world. The people that all live here and have to live here for generations, we're one people. The people that are benefiting from our division are the ones that can get off the planet. Because it's not about whether I live in Canada or you live in the States or somebody is profiting or getting the product, I meant, on another continent. All of us are stuck here with the droughts and the famine and the fire and the earthquakes. 1% gets off this planet. It's not us. Stop fighting. I'm not trying to fight. I'm freaking tired. I'm so sucking tired. And instead of picking at me and what I know or don't know, I've got freaking grade 7 education. That's it. I bet the majority of you who are trying to pick at me for where I found my information have pieces of paper that say that you finished high school at least. And if that's true, you know how to use Google. Use it. Don't start fights. She felt a little... And I instantly did, because I really look up to that woman. To the point that I've asked her permission to share her other information. I would never try to start a fight with her. So please, stop with the division. It's not helping anybody. It's not helping me, my children, my grandchildren, or yours.